Hello dear students, exercise number 4.6. Write the 5 common multiple of each of the following. Multiple means you have to write the tables. Tables like 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 16, 72. Like that 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, then 24, then 30, then 36. Next 8, the table of 8, the table of 4, the table of 15, then 10, then 5, then 30, then 10, then 20, then 18, then 19, then 27. Now you have to pause the video and write the all tables and make the tables it on. Look the question number 2. Find the LCM by common multiple method. Now look at the first question 18, 3. Here we going first with 2. 2 9 times 18. We got 2 9 ja 18. 2 in it not table in 3. 2 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आता है तो 3 को जैसे के वैसे यहाँ हम पुट करेंगे. देन अब 2 के टेबल में 9 और 3 नहीं आता है देन हम 3 से करेंगे. 3 3 जा 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Again 3 1 ja 3. Now what we get? Factor 2 3 into 3. 2 3 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. Now we get the LCM of 18. Next question. Here we go for second. 2 के टेबल में 3 3 नहीं आता है तो जैसे कि वैसे इसको पुटअप करेंगे. देन 2 2 1 जा 2 2 1 जा 2. 2 के टेबल में 11 नहीं आता है तो इसको सेम टू सेम हम पुटअप करेंगे. देन वी गिवन फॉर 3. 3 से करेंगे. 3 1 जा 3 3 1 जा 3. 3 के टेबल में 11 नहीं आता तो 11 का 11 11 का 11. नाउ वी गो विथ 11 बिकॉज 11 इज द प्राइम नंबर. 11 1 जा 11, 11 1 जा 11 and 11 1 जा 11. Now what we will get the factor 2 into 3 into 11. So 2 into 3 6 or 6 is to 11 66. Now we have to find the LCM here 66. Another question starting from 2 के टेबल में 16 आता है 8 टाइम आता है. 2 के टेबल में 8 आते 4 टाइम. 2 के टेबल में 32 आते 16 टाइम. राइट यू may have to do this. 2 1 ja 2, carry over 2, 2 6 are 12. Now is it completely given 16 time. So 2 32 and 16. Then again 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 8 ja 16. Again for 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Now for 2 1 ja 2, 1 ka 1 and 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 1 ja 2. What will you get? 1 1 1 at last. Now the factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 and 16 2 ja 32. What will be the LCM? 32. I hope you got it. Relation between the SCF and LCM. Now how to find the SCF by division method. सबसे पहले बड़े नंबर को हम अंदर लिखेंगे और उसे छोटे नंबर से हम उसको डिवाइड करेंगे. 24 1 जा 24. व्हाट विल वी गेट? 12. नाउ 12 इज ए स्मॉलर नंबर देन द डिविजर. डिविजर इज 24. नाउ वी हैव टू पुट द 24 हेयर. 12 2 जा 24. नाउ व्हाट विल वी गेट? वी गेट 0. दैट मीन्स the completely divisible by the number 24 and 36 is 12. The SCF become 12. 12 is the highest common factor which is divided to 24 and 36 also. Now LCM. How we can we get the LCM? Now we do for 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 1 carry 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again from 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12. Again from 2 9 is not in the table in 2, so 9 9 as it is, 2 3 ja 6, then 3 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, then 3 3 1 ja 3. Finally we get 2 2 2 and 3 3, 2 2 2 and 3 3 as a factor. 2 2 ja 4 or 4 2 ja 8. Now 3 3 ja 9 and 9 8 ja 72 as a LCM. I hope you got it. Look at the question. First we go for formula. LCM multiplied by SCF means the product of LCM and SCF is get, what will be get? The product of two number. The product of two number, first number multiplied by second number. LCM into SCF equal to first number multiplied by second number. So what we have, the LCM of two number is 72. The LCM of two number is 72 and the SCF is 12. The SCF is 12. LCM is 72 and the SCF is 12 equal to, then one of the number is 36, means the first number is 36 and find another number. Find another number, that means find the second number. Now 72 multiplied by 12, here 36 it will multiply, then go for divide. 12 1 ja and 12 3 ja 3 3 1 ja and 24. Now we got 24 as a second number. I hope you got it. The another question is for you. There are two numbers 40 and 64. If the SCF of this number is 8, then find their LCM. Now there are two number is 40 and 64. The LCM and SCF is equal to first number into second number. Now we have 40 and 64 as a two number, first number and second number. Now we have the SCF. SCF is 8. We have SCF is 8. Then find, what we have to find? We have to find the LCM. Now LCM into SCF equal to first number into second number. Now what will be the get LCM? Is that in multiply, go for divide. Multiply and go for divide. 8 1 ja and 8 5 ja. So 5 64 320. What will be the LCM is 320. I hope you got it.